Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. Stick around and I'll show you how to create a custom YouTube Endscreen in Canva. Click Create, then select Video. On the next screen, choose either Portrait or Landscape to set your video orientation before proceeding to the next step in your project. Choose the preferred mode, either Portrait HD Video or Landscape HD Video. Then select your desired option. Once your video is in the Template section, select Outros. There are many customizable outro templates available to use. You can choose any available option or design your own from scratch. I'll select this one to continue. Select Apply to all 3 pages and click Apply. You'll now see the template added here, confirming it's been successfully applied to each page. Click Play to see it in action. You can edit any part of this as needed to customize it for yourself. Move the timeline to your desired position. Next, update the text to your new content. After making the text changes, adjust the color as needed to match your design. These steps help customize your project for a better final result. This demonstrates how the feature works. Simply follow these steps to see the effect. You can also add any of the new elements to further customize or enhance your project as needed. To animate any element, simply select the object you want to animate. Then access the animation options and choose your preferred animation effect. This lets you add movement to images, text, or other elements in your project as needed. Select the element, click Animate, then choose any animation style you want to apply. Add a pop animation to your element. Once it's applied, click the Share button, choose the Download option, and select HD quality to save your animated project. Click Download to save your video and use it as your YouTube outro. Now you can design awesome outro videos in Canva. Like what you learned? Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.